All right, as part of Central Lyon County Fire's Fresh Start program, here we are, Carson Demolition, being utilized by that grant to help out here in Silver Springs. Here's an example of what we're doing. Give you an idea. If you need this type of stuff taken care of, get a hold of Darin at the Fresh Start program. We'll show you a before and after of what we're capable of through this grant and how much we'll be able to take and do. As I walk around here, you see some appliances. Tires, we can do, but that's regulated, so contact us to learn more about that. We're going to do, I think it's 20 feet around the primary residence. They do also have a program for the vehicles. That's not through us though. And there we go. Give us a call or get a hold of Darin on the ad through the Fresh Start program. All right, thank you. Well, as we finish up here, we got a little bit more to go, waiting on the dumpster to come back. I got the appliances collected, cleared out that big pile of trash, and got some little piles here left to do. We'll get that done before the end of the day. Now, to give you an example of what this program covers, we are limited to what we can and cannot take. If it was up to me, we would have cleared back to the fence, flatten the whole place out. But this is a free program through Central Lyon Fire. Compare this to yesterday. We got a couple little piles here to grab yet, but now you can walk through here, which is pretty awesome. We have access to remove the appliances and fire hazards. Made it so it's a usable area again. A couple little piles, but this whole area is cleared now. You can make your way through here, and we've cleared it up. So if you're interested in having your property cleared up for you and you have piles that are within 20 or 30 feet of your home, or if it gets put within 20 or 30 feet of your home, give Darin at Central Lyon Fire through the Fresh Start program a call and ask for Carson Demolition to come out and clean up your property. Thanks. Alrighty, so here we go, driving back from the last job. There's my truck way out there. He's a little bit faster than I am. On this last property, we took out 21,400 pounds of urban fuel, in addition to, 20 appliances, multiple dryers, a couple refrigerators, and 35 tires. So if you have tires on your property, we're limited to exactly 35 that we can take through this program. But if you have other things, we can do a lot of work not through the program as well. So if you need some work done, give us a call. That's what we're capable of through this. But if you have a whole property that needs cleared up, let me know, book an appointment, and we'll come out and take care of you. All right, thanks guys, bye.